Unfortunately, some members of the media use their platforms to push their own personal bias and agenda to control exactly what.
Hello everyone. Just how you saw that how news outlets make it very chaotic and hectic, which creates a lot of confusion for the common citizen, and it creates a sense of misinformation in the community, causing different opinions for different people and ultimately leading to a lot of misinformation for them. So that's why me and my friend, me Ayush Kumar Rai and my friend Nikhil Rajput, we have created this project for Mumbai Hack 2025 Strategic Intelligence Hub AI-powered geopolitical news analysis. So this project is about how a news on a geopolitical level affects a particular country, and this will help a common citizen understand how it can, how the citizen can use this opportunity to learn more about the geopolitical structure and stand of its country and its citizen in that whole spectrum. Coming to the tech stacks, we have used Next.js, ShadCN, Tailwind, and Framer Motion to create a very simple and friendly user interface. There is a theme toggle to switch between light and dark theme. Coming to features, as you can see, we have a filter, and when you search like Trump, it will show you the news around Trump and America. When you when you select a category which we have listed specifically considering how these things affect the geopolitical structure. So when we click on, let's say, diplomacy, so all the news around the diplomacy structure in a geopolitical spectrum will be shown here. And coming to this world map, as you can see, this is a very interesting feature we have added. It's basically an interactive world map, and you when you click on any particular country. Let's say I'm click on Russia. It will show the news around Russia. So Russia-Ukraine war. If I click around, let's say Pakistan, it will show the news around Pakistan. And you can see that it is also showing the number of news articles around that country. So instead of putting a basic vision selector, we thought this will be a better and cool idea to give a more visual perspective to the user. Now, coming to this news article, you can see that we have the simple title of the news. We have also given the time. We have the source, and this is opinion. So basically, this is a reliability factor. If it shows that if this news article is happening in the real time, if it's just an opinion for now, or if it's just going to be uh, a thought a thought or a plan. It's a reliability tag. And when you click on it, read more, you will be leading to the original news outlet page. So let's say I select Russia, or let's say I select China, and you can see this news is around China. And when I click on analysis, it will show the basic, and this is a very important part. So there here two things are happening. One is the analyzing the article. It will give a very brief and very important to the point summary of this news article, the significance, the category, the region, and the simple analysis. And this another part, which is the most fascinating part of this project, is how this news from this article itself, the LLM that we have using, the Gemini LLM, it will give a very detailed idea of how it's going to affect a particular country. So let's say I write India and I write wait for the country. So now this LLM will understand the news article, understand its all spectrum on geopolitical level and how it's going to affect India. Will it be a good impact, a bad impact, a neutral impact? how it's going to benefit or harm our competitors, everything. So you can see that it's showing neutral. So it is good for Chinese state, global climate action efforts. It's bad for polluting industries within the China. For competitors, let's say some of the Indian competitors like United States, for them also it's neutral. Views China's state-led approach as both competitive challenge and a positive step. And for European Union, this is a neutral again. And it is also giving recommendations of what India should do. So bolster India's own environmental legal frameworks and suggested steps are like commission and comparative study of China's state-led environmental codes versus India's National Green Tribunal and stuff like this. So this feature and the whole spectrum, the whole project is based around how user can understand the geopolitical spectrum of how it's going to affect the country that the user lives in, and how it is going to affect the competitors, and how it's going to affect the other countries if user wants to search for that. And this visual world map is a great addition to this project. Further, we are thinking of introducing autonomous analysis. That is, when we clicked on analysis, we had to wait a little bit to see the analysis. We are thinking to add a feature where the analysis will come just as the news articles are loading, making sure the user doesn't have to wait much around it. And yeah, mostly around optimizing the data fetching and analysis is the further approach we are thinking of. So again, coming to this project, me, Ayush Kumar Rai, and my friend Nikhil Rajput, this is the project we are going to submit for this Mumbai hack. And thank you for your time.